Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Indian Space Association for Exponential Innovation. Women leaders take the wheel at Indian EV companies. OneWeb and ISRO to launch satellites using GSLV Mark III and PSLV. Now the news in detail are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Indian Space Association, a premier body for space and satellite companies in the country. Now I have Abhishek joining in, who will brief about this launch.
So Aishwarya, according to the latest update, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Indian Space Association, a new industry body for Indian space industry. Quote unquote, he said that as the world moves from the IT age to the space age, India can't be left behind. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also underlined the need of the private sector's participation in the space industry. The launch of this premier space body will help to transform the Indian industry from just a supplier of components to the global space sector to a builder of global end-to-end space systems. Over to the studio, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Abhishek. As India's electric vehicle industry gains momentum, it has given a wheel for women in leadership roles across all EV companies in private, public and startup domains. OneWeb, a UK-based global communication satellite provider, has entered into an agreement with India's space agency to launch satellites aboard the country's heaviest launch vehicle GSLV Mark III along with its workhorse PSLV. The Modi government is giving special impetus to agri-startups. Now I have Leah joining me from Kerala, who will share her views on this issue.
Thank you, Aishwarya. The Modi-led government is giving special impetus to agriculture startups as technological interventions, research and innovation in the agriculture sector will help the farmers double their income by 2022. Agriculture and farm production has been revolutionized in India under the current government, which is evident from the various initiatives taken by the government for the welfare of the farmers. Two new ministries, Jal Shakti and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, have been created only to promote agriculture and doubling the farmers' income by 2022. Over to the studio.
Thank you, Leah. Indian consumers are stirring up buy now, pay later installment plans to purchase everything from washing machines to vacations online as the country's longest festive season gets underway. Lunch Club, a professional networking platform powered by artificial intelligence which uses machine learning algorithms to connect professionals, is eyeing India's expansion. Content platform Graphy has announced the acquisition of edtech platform Spayee for $25 million to strengthen Graphy's position in the creator ecosystem while increasing its reach and enabling it to optimize its product offerings. DocPrime, a health tech startup subsidiary of Policybazaar parent PB Fintech, has invested $7.5 million in AI-driven telehealth and wellness platform Visit Health as a part of its Series A funding round. A community-led professional network for women, Leap.Club, has raised $810,000 in a pre-Series A round led by Enzia Ventures, Kunal Shah and its users. Attentive, a SaaS-based remote property intelligence startup, has raised $2 million in pre-Series A funding round led by InfoEdge Venture to help outdoor services companies like landscaping and home insurance companies prepare estimates by obtaining valuable property attributes without ever visiting the actual location. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.